Well, I'll ask both of them this question. Because on the subject of giving free advice, what would your advice be to the Springboks who are playing these guys next weekend? So you feel free to answer that.
No, I mean, to be fair, now obviously the Springboks is match fit, and they you know, there's quality players. They've played a long time together, and they've got flipping some of the best heads in the world. You know, putting a plan together. So I think the Springboks will be well prepared, and yeah, the time will tell. Like the All Blacks maybe had the scoreboard luxury tonight to try a few things from deep in their own half that I don't think they'll get away against the All Blacks, against the Springboks. You know, that's the way they do play sometimes, but they may find themselves a bit in trouble with that. I think the Springboks will see that there is opportunities if you keep the ball in hand against the All Blacks, and if I'm sure that they will look at the game and work on that. So yeah, so I think again, you know, I think they will well plan the box, but I feel that if you're a little bit more patient with the ball in hand tonight, we could have finished a few opportunities, and I think hopefully the box will take that.